It's a 2017 Ford Expedition. Went out onto Amazon. I needed a rear windshield wiper blade, and I ordered this one. Amazon said it would fit, but it doesn't. I learned later you need this part, very esoteric wiper blade, to fit this type of rear windshield wiper. So if you push this button here, this whole assembly will pop off. Kind of hard to do with one hand. And just pull it out. And there is the beast. And there's the new one. Comes with that weird protector on it. And you just line it back up and snap it in. And then out comes the protector. And good to go.